Remember, when we do be talking about these practices, we have to remember to pay homage to where it actually come from, because a lot of new age credit, they don't know what the fuck credit is. Okay, but here we know what credit is. All right, so hi my angel fairies, I hope you guys are having an amazing, gorgeous, abundant day. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the chakras as beginners and how you can balance them as beginners. So a lot of you guys been asking me this question, and I finally got around to doing the video, thankfully. So hopefully you guys get some useful information out of this, and make sure to let me know if you did. I would freaking love it. Comment down below if you did, or what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification button so you won't miss a thing. All right, let's just hop into the freaking video, okay? So the first thing we're going to talk about is, what are chakras? Chakras are basically energy points in your body. These originated from India in sacred texts that dated around 1500 to 1000 BC. Remember, when we do be talking about these practices, we have to remember to pay homage to where it actually come from, because a lot of new age credit, they don't know what the fuck credit is. Okay, but here we know what credit is. All right, so this practice originated from India in the Sanskrit text, and we basically access these energy points in order to align them and balance them so you can really have a better overall being. Okay, chakra in Sanskrit actually means the wheel. Y'all, this fucking light low-key blinding me. Like, every time I look away, I'm seeing like little green stuff. But whatever, anything to look good. I'm gonna go blind. I need to stop. But anyways, back to what we was talking about. So there are numerous chakras. Some say there are around 114 chakras in your body, or like energy points in your body, but we're going to be focusing on the 7 main ones today, and that's the ones that a lot of us already know already, but we probably just don't know how to actually access or work on those chakras. So the 7 chakras that I'm going to be talking about today is your crown chakra, your third eye, your throat chakra, your heart chakra, your solar plexus, your sacral chakra, and your root chakra. All these chakras work together to create a beautiful energy within your body. Okay, we all want to feel peace, calm, tranquility. I'm a Taurus placement. If I don't have my peace, I'm gonna start fucking shit up. So me working on these points, it kind of just really helps me, overall be a better person, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually as well. So these points, if I didn't mention before, run along your spine. So yeah, remember that. You got the crown chakra right here, we got the throat chakra right here, we got the third eye chakra right here, we got the heart chakra, and then down below is the solar plexus, the sacral, and the root chakra. And I hope I'm saying sacral. I used to always say sacral, but then I saw people saying sacral, so I'm like, I'm not really good at pronouncing stuff, because I rarely talk. Comment down below if you ever really talk. So when you do talk, you just like pronounce shit wrong. Because like as a kid, you never really spoke because depression is a thing, or you're just very shy and quiet. So now when you speak, now you're ready to talk and speak, you don't know how to pronounce shit. That's me. That's me. I personally believe that chakras aren't closed because they're always open. They're energy points. Energy just continues to cycle within your body and around you. So what you can do and what chakras can be is blocked. It can be overactive and it can be underactive. So in order to make sure that it's not overactive, underactive, or blocked, you will work on things such as meditation, yoga, dancing, connecting with others to balance your chakra, because we just want it to be a flowing, open energy. Okay? These can manifest as physical problems and also emotional and spiritual problems as well. And I'm gonna go a little bit deeper about that when we talk about the separate chakras. On the side here, I'm going to show an illustration of each chakra and their placement so you guys can kind of get a little feel of what I'm talking about. So first, we're going to be talking about I was going to say crown, but we're going to go to the root because the root is just right there. I was going to say some stupid shit, but I'm looking at my notes, y'all. Just please. The root chakra is associated with the color red and is associated with stability, grounding, and finding yourself. I personally work on this chakra through meditation, and when I do meditate, I work on all of my chakras through meditation, but when I do meditate, I imagine this red light surrounding the area where my chakra is placed, and I highly recommend you do this when you are meditating, so you can kind of really focus on that one chakra. I'm going to put a playlist down below, like I always do, to my meditation playlist. It has every single chakra you can think of, and also a couple of other songs that kind of help you manifest and things of that nature. But yeah, the root chakra is associated with the color red. It's associated with a grounding and stability to kind of keep you, secured on earth and secured within yourself. These things, if this chakra is blocked or overactive or underactive, these things can physically manifest as arthritis and internal colon trauma or problems. And if I didn't say so before, it is located at the base of your spine. I'm pretty sure I said it, but I'm gonna say it again because who's gonna beat my ass? So the next chakra we're going to be talking about is your sacral chakra, and this chakra is located between your pelvis, your pelvic bone, and your stomach. It's just below your belly button, and it's in that area. The color associated with this chakra is orange. So when you do meditate and you do think about this chakra and you're trying to work on this chakra specifically, you will envision the color orange surrounding in like a little energy circle and swirling. Sometimes I just see it as a glowing orange light, but whatever works for you works for you. So this chakra deals with your self-worth and your sexual side and your sexuality. When this chakra is blocked, it can manifest physically as UTIs and lower back pain. Emotionally, it can kind of affect your self-worth because that energy right there, your sacral chakra is all about your sexuality and it's about your self-worth. So if it is blocked or overactive or underactive, it can really affect that area emotionally and then physically, like UTIs and stuff like that. And when you do work on this chakra, you will kind of find this confidence within yourself and your sexual being and also your self-worth. You know who you are, you're confident, and you're standing in who you are when this chakra is balanced. It is also the chakra of pleasure and creativity. I also forgot that as well. So when this chakra is balanced, you're at your most creative. Things are just coming to you, inspiration, pleasure, sex feels good or whatever brings you pleasure, like enjoying watching TV, things of that nature. The next one is your solar plexus, and this is located in your stomach area, aka your upper abdomen. This one deals with your self-confidence and self-esteem. When this one is blocked, it can really affect your physically, it can affect your heart digestive system, which is like your heartburn, constipation, things of that nature. Now emotionally, it can really affect your confidence and kind of give you this low self-esteem if it's blocked. So with this one, when you do unblock it, you're going to feel really confident and standing within your power. Your self-esteem is exactly where it needs to be, which is huzzah, and we love that. Okay, the next one is your heart chakra. It is located in the center of the chest. And actually, for the solar plexus, I didn't say what color it was. The color associated with the solar plexus chakra is yellow, which is so fucking fitting. It's like so fitting. But next on to the heart chakra, the color associated with your heart chakra is green, which is when I first started out with meditation, I was like, shouldn't it be pink? Or like, it would be pretty cool if it was pink, the heart chakra, because everybody's pink. But I like the green. It kind of gives this very chill, calm, cool, tranquil color. This heart chakra, the heart chakra, of course, deals with compassion and empathy and love. So when this chakra is balanced, you're at your most loving self. You know empathy and you show it to others and yourself. You're compassionate to those around you and you just share that love. But when your girl is blocked, okay, it's not good. You're kind of a bitch. So like this chakra, when it's blocked, you don't really feel the love. You don't share empathy. You don't show empathy. You don't give yourself love and give other loves around you. Your energy is just really blah. So that is what it feels like when this chakra is blocked. And when you do work on this chakra, you kind of just overflow with this feeling of love and compassion that you share with others and not only just yourself. So that's kind of awesome. The way this blockage can physically manifest is through things like heart problems or Goes right onto my tongue. It's right there. I got this. Asthma. No, I didn't have it. Weight loss. Got it. It also can make you feel really insecure and lonely, which that's a ghetto ass feeling. I'm gonna be real with you, okay? Next up is your throat chakra. This one is always blocked for me. I had real. Y'all don't even understand the trouble I had with balancing this chakra and unblocking it, because it was some So the throat chakra deals with your communication. The color associated with this throat chakra is blue. So when it's blocked, you kind of have you have trouble expressing who you are and talking and speaking your truth. But when it's open, you speak with love, you speak with compassion, and you also have boundaries, you set them, all that good stuff. The blockages can physically manifest through such things as your teeth hurting, your throat hurting, you got a sore throat, things of that nature. So the throat chakra for me is definitely a tough one. What used to be actually a tough one to keep balanced and unblocked, because I never really had that, confidence within myself. Solar plexus. Never really had that confidence to express my boundaries and speak my truth, but now I can. Nobody can shut my mouth finally, so let's get into it. But yeah, that's what it means with the throat chakra. The next one we're going to be moving on to is the third eye, the one that you can really connect with the spiritual side, also your crown though. But so the third eye is associated with indigo, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow. If you watch Hip Hop Harry, I love you. Okay, but anyways, the third eye is indigo. That's the color associated with. It is associated with, and it's associated with your intuition, trusting yourself, and kind of, connecting with the divine and the spiritual. When this chakra is blocked, you don't really trust who you are. You're not really grounded in reality, and you can't see things for what they are. There's like a veil over yourself when this chakra is blocked, or if it's overactive or underactive. So when this chakra is not blocked, you're trusting in yourself, you're trusting your intuition, you're seeing things for what they are, and you're seeing things as a big picture and not just a little small cup. It's really good to keep this chakra open. And also, this chakra also help you connect with the other side, such as the astral realm, connecting with your ancestors and all that good stuff. And if you want to know how to do that, the link is up there, or maybe over here. I never know which side, and it's so annoying. The last beautiful chakra we're going to be talking about is our crown chakra, and this is connects all the chakras along your spine. She's a beautiful girl, okay? This chakra is the chakra of enlightenment. This chakra is the chakra of intelligence. So with this chakra, when it is blocked, you kind of have a hard time being enlightened and trusting in yourself, seeing things for what they are, kind of like the third eye chakra. You're not really self-aware or aware of things around you, and you're just really kind of not really seeing things for what they are, basically. But when this chakra is balanced, when this chakra is not blocked, you are enlightened, you are trusting in things, you see things for what they are. Clarity is something that's really key when you work on your crown chakra. It brings you clarity, it brings you intelligence. You're just thirsting for this knowledge to kind of continue to come into your life. So when that chakra is not blocked, that's the things it helps you with. With this color, this chakra is associated with purple, and she's a cute girl. Make sure you work on her. Sometimes people who have a blocked crown chakra can come off as stubborn, narrow-minded, or skeptical, and that's not really the best to be. So a couple of things I want to let you guys know in order to balance your chakra is you can meditate. Like I said, I have a video of meditation up there to get you kind of started on meditation. You can meditate for 10 minutes every single day on one chakra, or you can do all your chakras at one time. I personally do one chakra per day, starting with either the root chakra for 1 week or the crown chakra the other week, and I'll just work my way up or work my way down. You can also do yoga, which is not really something I resonate with. Unfortunately, I've been trying to do yoga for so long, but my body said, hey, no. Not even my body, my spirit. My spirit's like, no, I don't think that's for you. And I'm like, okay, fine. You know what's tea. You can also work on your chakras through dancing, creativity, connecting with yourself. Twerking is very good for your sacral chakra, okay? So my girls who like to shake that ass, go into it, get into it. Make sure you envision that color if you want to do something like that. But yeah, shake that ass and your sacral chakra will be open. It won't be blocked. It will be balanced. You will love it. Oh yeah, make sure you continue to do in-depth research about the chakras, and make sure you know where they come from, because a lot of us, as we continue to learn spirituality, we definitely want to make sure we know where these practices come from, and actually give actual credit, or give credit to those who created these practices. But keep it cute. Remember, if you can't be partaking in certain practices, don't even. Okay, make sure you do your research. Get yourself together. My babies will not be doing cultural appropriation. I do not stand for that. But yeah, I really think that's it for the video. If you guys have any more questions down below, let me know, and like put them down below. Also, if you guys want to add something to this video that I have forgot, definitely add that down below. Of course, a lot of us need to learn, and sometimes I be forgetting. I'm a forgetful girl. So definitely put those things down below so others can know and get even more educated on this topic. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss another post from me. I am looking forward to posting next week. And if you guys want any other videos from me that I have not done yet, put it in that description. Don't play with me. So what chakra are you going to be working on first? Is it your root chakra, or is it your crown chakra? For me personally, I highly recommend you guys work with your root chakra first to stay grounded and work your way up. If you guys are just starting out with chakras and how to balance your chakras, I highly recommend starting on your root chakra, because that chakra is the chakra of grounding, stability, knowing who you are, and being confident in who you are. So yeah, definitely work on the chakra first. If you guys want to see a black woman as supernatural ethereal beings, definitely go down to my shop so you can see that. And I really hope you guys have a beautiful, gorgeous, abundant day. Bye, my loves.